Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about if-then statements, conditional statements. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks, and now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about the if-then statements, conditional statement. Statement has two parts: the hypothesis and the conclusion. Hypothesis is it states the given fact that are assumed to be true, while a conclusion is what needs to be proven or established to be true. Implication is a statement formed by hypothesis and conclusion. So pag pinagsama ang hypothesis at ang conclusion, ang tawag doon ay implication. If P, then Q, or P implies Q, are samples of implication wherein P is the hypothesis and Q is the conclusion. Activity. Convert each statement in if-then form. Then identify the hypothesis and conclusion. Number 1. A diligent student is loved by his teachers. So, kung gagawin niyang implication, if a student is diligent, lagi siya nasa-separate into a linking verb, then he or she is loved by his teachers. Okay? So, ang kanyang hypothesis ay if the student is diligent. Conclusion is then he is loved by his teacher. Number 2, a truthful person is trusted. If a person is truthful, then he or she is trusted. Again, ang gagawin lang dyan is isa-separate mo lang yung dalawang yung subject at saka yung predicate, no? So kasi lagi nakatambal yan sa sa linking verb. So the hypothesis is if a person is truthful, and the conclusion is then she is trusted. Number 3, a man who respects others never speak ill of other people. Okay, so the verb is never. So if a man respects others, then he never speaks ill of other people. And the hypothesis is if a man respects others, and conclusion is then he never speaks ill of other people. Number 4, a person exercises regularly will become healthy. So the word will be our verb or the linking verb. So if a person exercises regularly, then he will become healthy. The hypothesis is if a person exercises regularly, and then yung kanyang conclusion, then he will become healthy. So this is all about the implication, the hypothesis, and the conclusion. A combination of the combination of the hypothesis and the conclusion is the result or will result to implication, no? So yung implication combination siya ng hypothesis at saka conclusion. 5. An even number is divisible by 2. So the linking verb is implication. If a number is even, then it is divisible by 2. Hypothesis, if a number is even. Conclusion, then it is divisible by 2. Number 6. The points lie on the same line are collinear. The linking verb is are. So if we write this in an implication, if the points lie on the same line, then they are collinear. If the points lie on the same line is the hypothesis, and the conclusion is then they are collinear. Yung conclusion lagi siya yung then, diba? Yung hypothesis lagi siya merong if. Kasi what if? So that's all about for the if and then statements, particularly the conditional statement. With that, thank you very much for your listening.